Her kitchen is where the magic is made.
Hello there, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Holly, your friendly neighborhood carnivore, and I am so excited you could join me today. Today we are finally back in the kitchen cooking again. I'm so excited to be sharing more recipes and cooking tips with you guys. And today it is almost 10:30 and I'm finally ready for breakfast, and I thought I'm going to show you guys how I make my, I don't really know what to call them. It's kind of a variation of a scrambled egg. Sometimes I will call these a white and yellow scrambled egg. Sometimes I call it a scrambled fried egg because it is all the goodness of a fried egg. It's just scrambled up really nicely in the skillet. So I thought it would just be a fun one to show you guys today. Very simple and easy. Just gives you yet another way to fix your eggs and enjoy them. I've got my skillet preheated over medium, and I am getting a nice spoonful of bacon grease here. This is where I save all my bacon grease. I'm gonna be cooking 6 eggs, so I'm gonna go with about 2 tablespoons here. You can add more, you can add less. This is really just personal preference here. But bacon grease is my preferred fat for this particular way of cooking eggs. Once my bacon grease is melted into my skillet, it is time to add the eggs. I am going to crack these straight into the skillet just as if I were frying up a bunch of eggs. Just gently crack them in. You want to make sure you don't pop your yolks. Okay, I have got my 6 eggs in my skillet. I'm gonna grab some salt and do a pinch of salt on top. If you are a person that enjoys pepper on your eggs, go ahead and add that pepper in here too. Personally, I just like the salt. Now I'm gonna get my spatula and I'm going to start stirring around the whites. Be very careful around the yolks. You want them to stay whole, so you have to be very careful not to pop them, but you do want to move around the egg whites because you are trying to get these egg whites all the way cooked through while your yolks are sitting there nice and raw. As you stir the egg whites off of the yolks, you will notice that you can get that layer of egg white right off. The egg white will literally just pull right off of the egg yolks there. Just keep pulling off the egg whites, stirring them around. I'll show you a close-up here of the egg whites coming off of this yolk. You can actually see the layer of egg white just peeling right away from the yolk there. Just be very gentle. Keep stirring and keep scrambling those egg whites. Uh-oh, we have a casualty. It's okay, we're gonna keep our other ones whole. Just very carefully stirring up those whites. And once your whites are completely cooked through, you don't see any more little snotty bits in there because that's what's gross. We don't like that. We're gonna remove this from the heat. Then we're going to give it a nice big stir, mix in all the rest of the egg yolks. You wanna remove it off the heat so that they're not cooking, but they will thicken up a little bit in your hot skillet. And then you are going to serve it in your bowl. Doesn't that look delicious? Before we get to the taste test, please like and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me to be able to reach more viewers. Okay, if that wasn't the quickest, easiest way to fix a bowl of eggs, I don't know what is. This took me all of 5 minutes, probably less than that. I've got all of the delicious bits and pieces of egg in here. I've got the whites that are the texture and flavor of when you fry the egg and you get the fried egg whites in there. And then I've got the yolks. They are still soft and liquidy in here. They've kind of become a sauce for those egg whites. And this is just a great way to have that fried egg flavor when you're in a hurry and you don't have time to have the patience to make sure your eggs are gonna be okay and flipping them over and keeping them pretty. All right, let's do a taste test for you guys. I'm gonna go in with a spoon. This might be controversial. A lot of people eat their eggs with a fork, but you know what? I scooped out the bacon grease with this, so why would I not just go ahead and use it instead of dirtying up a fork? All right, so here's you can see the delicious bits of yolk that are still in there. And then of course, like it's coated those whites. Oh, it's so hot and steamy. Let's get a good bite here. Cheers. This is perfect. I love some fried eggs, especially eggs fried in bacon grease. So having that same flavor and texture of the fried eggs, but having a quick way of getting it fixed up and just thrown in a bowl to eat and go, this is a win-win for me. I know it wasn't much of a recipe today. This was just a quick way that I like to fix my eggs, but hopefully you found this useful and maybe you're gonna try this and you'll enjoy it too. I would love to hear if this is a version of eggs that you already make, and if it is, what do you call these? Do you just consider these scrambled eggs, or do you have a particular name that you call these? I'm not really sure. I've never seen anybody say that they make their eggs this way before, and it's just something that I enjoy. So they could really use a name. So I don't know, leave me a comment. What are we going with? Are these white and yellow scrambled eggs? Are these scrambled fried eggs? Fried scrambled eggs? I don't know, you guys. Help me out. Let me know what you think. If you're curious in seeing what I eat every day on a carnivore diet, you can follow me over on X or on Instagram. I post what I eat every single day over there, and you can get a good glimpse of what a sustainable carnivore diet looks like to me, what I'm eating day in and day out, what I'm doing to keep this lifestyle sustainable. Make sure you say hi while you're over there. I love to chit chat with you guys. Love to see what y'all are doing, just hearing about your days, what you guys are eating, anything at all. Just love to hang out with you guys. Can't wait to see you guys next week when we'll be cooking up another delicious thing in the kitchen. And now I'm gonna go finish up my bowl of eggs for a late breakfast. Can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for culinary